Hi, welcome to another session of Torah Thoughts, approximately 2 minutes in length. Enjoy, try to review, and even refer to the Torah source, which is usually given. You know, the prophet Micah said, do kindliness, love justice, and walk humbly with God, meaning try to review in your own mind anything that you have learned in Torah during the day. And it is a positive reflection to your soul, something that will make you holy. What do we mean holy? It means that basically emulating, again, perfection in emulating God's ways. Holy means perfection in emulating God's ways. And we see that in chapter Numbers, the book of Numbers, the fourth book of the Bible, chapter 15, verse 40, that says that do the commandments and you shall be holy. Do the commandments and you shall be holy. Again, holy is perfection in emulating God's ways. We can't see what holiness is, but it's a physical feature, like a live wire. We won't be able to tell if it is actually live or not by looking at it, or a pail of water. We won't be able to tell if it is hot or cold by looking at it. And so it is with a person who is holy. He becomes a physical change which cannot be seen. Now, it says over there in Proverbs, right? Proverbs, the book of Proverbs, written primarily by Solomon, King Solomon, it says over there, whoever does not give ear to my Torah, his prayer is an abomination or evil. Whoever does not give ear to my Torah, his prayer is an abomination or evil, meaning that it's not that we should come in and pray 3 times a day and say how great God is and then ask for a request. Not solely that, but also to learn. It's a two-way street to learn God's Torah, because it says over there, you should love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul. How do you do that? It says, "V'hoyu hadavorim ha'ele," with these words, the Torah words that was given to you by God.